All right, we got this Three Creeks Brewing Company. Tres Arroyos, if I'm saying it right. It's a Mexican lager, 4.5% alcohol. So you got a lot of the little honey color. A little bit of good head there. Nice and crisp.
Mexican style lager.
Yeah.
Crisp, yeasty.
Mm-hmm.
Sort of nose to it.
Does smell good.
Mm-hmm. Kind of refreshing smell, you know, before you even drink it.
Yeah. That's got some good flavor for a lager.
Yeah. Yeah, a little grainy to finish.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
It's very light,
just
smooth.
real light malt, almost like even like a rolled corn or something kind of.
Mm-hmm. Good point.
Whatever kind of hops are in there, just super light hops for balance.
Yeah.
Huh, yeah, it's just kind of a light, easy drinking, session-y sort of lager, you know?
Yeah.
Crisp. Kind of dry, you know?
Yeah, at the end, yeah. Absolutely.
A little bit malty and grainy, I guess. A little bit dry, though, yeah.
I mean, not too much that I'll complain about it.
Mm-mm.
I mean...
No, and then at the very, very, like, after everything kind of goes away, I just get almost like a toasted corn aspect out of it at the very end. Kind of almost like a cornbreadish kind of...
Yeah. Comes along with a little dryness, too.
Yeah. Love the nose. This is a well done beer, you know, just for being something so simple. It's just fantastic.
And, you know, it's like, it's actually an Americanized Hispanic beer.
Yeah.
Like...
Yeah. It's good.
We've had some Hispanic beers from Mexico that are good.
Yeah.
Pretty goddamn good for a lager, man.
Yeah, definitely. Fire up some fajitas with it or something.
Yeah.
You know?
Dude, even a simple nacho, chips and salsa, carne asada.
Yeah, absolutely. Like some grilled up flank steak and some nice corn tortillas or handmade flour tortillas, you know?
Yeah.
God damn.
Oh, yeah.
Grilled up, nice and brown.
Yeah.
Good, rich corn, tomato, onion, garlic, you know, fresh chili salsa.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, baby.
Really good, dude. You know, this would... said this before, but this will be a good compliment to another one of these.
Goes best with another one.
Yeah. I mean, I could sit here and drink this shit all day.
Yeah, and the alcohol was what again?
It was like 4 or 5 or something like that. Yeah, 4 or 5.
Yeah, I mean, that's
a lager level.
No, and it's like drinking beer level too, you know? 4.2, 4.5, you know, under 5, right? That's like, you can have a number of them.
This would have been nice for like mid-hot day today. I love
like
that whole, like, I don't know what they call it, but like the whole painted face.
Day of the Dead kind of shit.
Yeah, they got that on there with the cowboy hat.
Yeah.